Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate eclairs. First, combine 1 cup of water, half a cup of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium heat. Then, quickly add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, stirring continuously until the dough forms a ball and pulls away from the sides of the pan. Remove from heat and let it cool slightly for a few minutes. Now, let's shape and bake our choux pastry. Transfer the cooled dough to a piping bag fitted with a large round or star tip. Pipe uniform strips, about 3 to 4 inches long, onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving some space between each. Bake them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then, reduce the temperature to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for another 20 to 25 minutes, until they are golden brown and firm. Next, we'll prepare the luscious chocolate pastry cream filling. In a bowl, whisk together 4 egg yolks, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. In a separate saucepan, heat 1½ cups of whole milk and half a cup of heavy cream until simmering. Gradually whisk about half of the hot milk mixture into the egg mixture to temper it, then pour everything back into the saucepan. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly, until it thickens. Remove from heat and stir in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, let's assemble and glaze our delicious eclairs. Once the baked choux shells have completely cooled, use a piping bag with a small round tip to fill them with the chocolate pastry cream. You can make 3 small holes on the bottom of each eclair for filling. For the glaze, melt 4 ounces of good quality dark chocolate with 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Dip the top of each filled eclair into the warm glaze, allowing any excess to drip off. Let them set for about 15 minutes before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.